स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू चेतन क्लासेस। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट्स एंड एग्जांपल्स ऑन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ 2x2 ऑर्डर। नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, फाइंड x if determinant of order 3x3 4 3 9 3 2 7 1 4x is equal to 0. So this is the determinant of order 3x3. So D is equal to 0. D means this given determinant, that is determinant of 4 3 9 3 2 7 1 4x is equal to 0. Now we know the formula of 3x3 determinant. So therefore we get 4 into removing first row first column and remaining these 4 entries, take a determinant of that, that is 2 7 4x minus 3. So removing second column first row and remaining entries 3 7 1x plus 9 into determinant of 3 2 1 4 is equal to 0. Therefore 4 into 2x minus 28 minus 3 into 3x minus 7 plus 9 into 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 8x minus 112 minus 9x plus 21 plus 108 minus 18 is equal to 0. So we get here minus x. Now minus 112 plus 21 plus 108 minus 18. So minus 112 plus 21 minus 112 plus 21. So here 1 and minus 91. So minus 91 plus 108 minus 18 is equal to 0. Take x on that side. So x is equal to minus 91 plus 108 minus 18. So 108 minus 91 means 108 minus 91. So 17. Therefore x is equal to plus 17 minus 18. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Take another example. Find x if determinant of 4 3 9 3 minus 2 7 11 4x is equal to 0. So since determinant of order 3x3 is given and that value is 0, so determinant of 4 3 9 3 minus 2 7 11 4x is equal to 0. We know the formula how to find the determinant of order 3x3. So apply this formula. So 4 into minus 2 7 4x and take determinant of that, minus 3 into determinant of 3 7 11x plus 9 into determinant of 3 minus 2 11 4 is equal to 0. Therefore 4 into minus 2x minus 28 minus 3 into 3x minus 77 plus 9 into 12 minus of minus plus 22 is equal to 0. So therefore minus 8x minus 112 minus 9x plus 231 plus 9 into 34 is equal to 0. So minus 8x minus 9 minus 8x minus 9x, that is minus 17x. Here minus 112 plus 231, that is plus 119, and this 9 into 34, that is 306, is equal to 0. Minus 17x, take RHS, so we get 17x is equal to 425. Therefore x is equal to 425 divided by 17. Divide that, so the answer is 25. So x is equal to 25. Okay. Next example. Find k if determinant of 2 minus k 7, 3 minus 4 13, 8 minus 11 33 is equal to 0. So since determinant of order 3 cross 3 is 0, so 3 minus 4 13, 8 minus 11 33 is equal to 0. Apply the formula. So we get 2 into determinant of minus 4 13 minus 11 33 plus k into determinant of 3 13 8 33 plus 7 into 3 minus 4 8 minus 11 is equal to 0. So therefore 2 into minus 132 plus 143 plus k into 99 minus 104 plus 7 into minus 33 plus 32 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 into 11 plus k into minus 5 plus 7 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 22 minus 5k minus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 5k, take on RHS. So we get 22 minus 7 is equal to 5k. Therefore 5k is equal to 15. Therefore k is equal to 15 divided by 5. So k is equal to 3. Okay.